Hey y'all, it's Dawn.
And Tyler.
We're just out and about, and we are here today for
Splash Country.
Splash Country. It is opening day. So we're headed in here to check it out.
It's a little chilly.
Yep, it's been a little cool here at night in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. So I'm not sure how cold this water is going to be, but as
we'll
far
brave it out for y'all.
as far as the day today though, I mean the day is turning out to be a beautiful day. So anyway, I know we can't take you on the slide with us, you know, with the camera, but I'll show you around the water park. A lot of people have a lot of questions about the water park up here and how big it is and what they have to offer. We've got some other videos that's on our channel that I'll be sure to link in the, description and everything. But come on and see how the day turns out for us. And while we do that, you guys be sure to like, comment, subscribe.
And like us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
All right, y'all, so we're pretty much done with our day here at Dollywood Splash Country.
Yep.
It's been a great opening day. The weather outside was perfect. Water was a little cold.
Water was a little on the cold side.
Sad, chilly, but hey, it's only May, so just wait till June and July. That water will feel really good. But anyway, great opening day. Everything went smooth. I've done a full walk around before, a walkthrough of the park. So I didn't really do that this time, but I'll be sure and put a link to that down in the description.
Yep.
And a link up above. But we've had a great day, and thanks for joining us on this one, and we will see you on the next one.
Yep.
Bye, y'all.